Christmas dinner at Eat Asian Super Buffet. Well, hello, hello. Everyone's here.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas. Sal and Sharon, man.
Oh, that sun feels good.
Scotty and Sue, Marcia. We're all here.
Enjoy it, so tomorrow the 100% chance of rain.
Yay, rain.
Yeah. So that's why. Well, okay.
I think we should start a band.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well, good morning this morning. I just got back in Miss Moo Moo here after being in Harbor Freight. It's been a rough week. Since Christmas, my fridge went, my inverter went. What else? Anyway, that's enough in itself. So I just picked up a new inverter. The fridge I'll get next week. So I'll be living out of a cooler with ice. That's fine. You do what you gotta do. And hopefully nothing else will go wrong. So we'll see. More later.
It's to grind everything off your car.
Oh, really? Awesome.
It's called Awesome, and the other one is just shower. Both of them are $1.
Yeah.
Clean like nobody's business. No streaks, no
Play,
scum,
Bella. Bella, play, Bella.
Scum and stuff.
Takes an hour.
Milburn.
Yep.
I don't even try to wash mine.
I don't either. I haven't in 4 years. I'm going to this year though, because I want to put some wax on this. Buff it out with some wax, because it's good. Up by the sun, especially the nose.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to buy me a nice piece of shade cloth to put on the nose when I'm parked.
Oh, yeah.
Straight into the sun.
Yeah. I'm separated, so I don't have that problem. No. Except I should do it for protecting the interior rig.
Yeah. I like parking in the sun. So that the other side stays shaded, because that's fridge side.
Right.
So this side will get more sun, and then the front, I can cover that with the reflective so it stays cool. If I park the other way, then my whole back end gets hot, and then it's hot in there to sleep. And
just rip off through the woods and stuff. But the sister would tear Broadus' brother up all the time. Wouldn't bother Broadus. Tear his ear off, all sorts
Double
of
checking.
stuff. You know, he'd come home and be all...
Olive, are you all tuckered out? Good morning. It is Sunday, the 29th, and I'm not doing much of anything today. I'm just going to lay low. I've been in town, I think 3 times now in 3 days. So I'm just going to relax, maybe make some curtains, new curtains, stuff like that. Everybody's doing their thing today. They're going into town to do laundry, and people went in to wash their cars and their vehicles and stuff. But this is going to be one of those days where I just relax and do absolutely nothing. And Sadie's already gone back for a nap. She's doing very well, by the way. And then tomorrow I will go in and I will get laundry done. And all those lovely necessary things that bore people to death. So I won't bother telling you everything that has to be done. But today is a good day. It's sunny. It's not as cold. I've already rearranged the bus. Looks nice. So I think we're just going to hang in today and just relax. Maybe watch some YouTube on the TV or something. Get ready for the New Year's Eve party, which is Tuesday night. So I will get this uploaded because it's been a while, and I'll let you know when my fridge comes. And oh, and by the way, thanks to Michelle, she talked me through reinstalling the new inverter, and you'll be proud of me, I did it all by myself. And I did all the hands-on, and she just coached me through it, so next time it happens, I'm going to know how to do it if I'm not around these people. Oh, there goes Terry, Scotty, and Aja. They're all going into town again. Okay, so I'll get this video uploaded, and I will talk to you all next time. Love you all. Stay safe.